one thing that you want to do is try to combine different variations of exercises. So for example, I'm going to combine a leg exercise and an upper body exercise and something that we're going to get you out of breath as well. So it's going to have the cardio in it. Okay? So I guess you can call this advanced, but you should get creative. As you get tired of, everybody gets tired of just basically squats, lunges, right? I didn't do the right form here, I'm just talking. But it's a little bit boring. And most people are okay with boring, but you want to make it fun for yourself. So what you want to do is kind of change things up and create combos for yourself. Wherever you feel good, whatever you want to train that day. So for example, here's the thing, right? So I'm going to combine a squat with a jump and a push-up, right? So if I do, it's called there's this thing, it's called a burpee, where you go like this, you kind of extend your legs and come back, right? And jump. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the burpee, push up, and you can do as many push-ups as you want. Jump, squat, burpee, and then squat. And if you want, you can add as many squat jumps as you want to this, right? You can add squats, lunges, switch lunges, up to you. And then right back to the thing. You can also do mountain climbers, anything you want. Just make a little routine for yourself, change it up. And, you know, it will give you a really good exercise. I'm trying to talk and do the exercises, so I'm making myself out of breath, but I hope you get the idea.